ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you wish to see more of my future videos, then please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share my videos, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. So in today's video I will be doing a haul. So it's just some of the products I got from Glam, and let's see. These are some of the products which I literally wanted to try. It's not that expensive products, but like it's a haul today. So let's begin. I've got 2 boxes from Glam, and there is also a card. I love keeping these cards. It's beautiful makeup. I got few there. One is there and one is there, I think. Love these cards. Let's leave it there. So let's begin. And so there was a offer going on their website where you have to spend certain amount of money, then they will give you a free product. So I will show you guys what was that free product. Okay, let's open. As usual, it comes like this, and like I wanted to get some eyelash glues and some eyelashes just because I want to try some of the new eyelashes. So first product I got is this Adele lashes. And it comes with 4, and also it shows, I think, here how to apply. So the second product is this Adele lash grip for strip lashes. So this is a dark adhesive lash glue. It's also by Adele. I haven't tried their lash glue yet, but I will let you guys know in my tutorial video if I like it or not. And the next product I got is this Adele lash grip for strip lashes. This is same, but this is clear adhesive. So this is clear and this one is dark. So I think this one is black and this is clear. This is clear. But they are exactly same, I think. And both of this product has 7 grams of products in here, and this lash looks really cool. I like it. The next one is this Wet n Wild bronzer. Looks like this. Looks so cool. Like I love it. Like I love all Wet n Wild products. And this has 11 grams of product in here. The next product is this I Love Revolution Angel Heart. I think this is an eyeshadow palette. And at the back, it has all the shades in here. And let's open and see. Okay, it is like this. Oh gosh, I love it. Just look at the shades. They are literally so beautiful. And like it has that magnet thing which clips here. Which is so cool. I love it. I first thought that it's inside the box, but no, it's cool. I love it. And this product like was free. So this product was free. Like when you spend certain amount of money, then this product you'll get for free. And like OMG, this is by Ofra Cosmetics. This is their highlighter. And like literally I love Ofra Cosmetics highlighters. And like this one is 10 grams. Okay, it contains 10 grams of products, and okay, it looks like this. It's really big, and at the back it says, okay, let me open. Okay, it looks like this, and you guys will be seeing me using this in my upcoming tutorial videos. So this was free product. I think it's worth $35 or $38, I think. Okay, let's open this one and see what I got. I think I forgot what is it. Okay, first thing is this PRASAD Brow Pencil Dark Brown by Makeup Revolution, and this one is in shade dark brown. I think I've got this one already, but like my little girl, not little, like my daughter ELIZA, she's a teenager, so she always uses all the eyebrow pencils. So I think I got this for her. No idea, but like, yeah. This is just like that Anastasia one. I think it looks so cool. So small, thin, not small, like thin. And it has this. I think I used this one before, and like I got it again because this was on sale, I think. That's why. Okay, the next product is this blush, and this one is Blaze and Berry by Wet n Wild. Looks beautiful. Love this kind of colors. And the next product is this. Oh gosh, what the? This is a Makeup Revolution Terracotta Luxury Baking Powder. OMG, this looks so dark yellow. Look at it. It looks so yellowish. But I will try. I think I should have got a lighter shade. Like, look. Looks so dark. What? But like, I'll try and let you guys know. This is just their banana powder and a luxury baking powder. Okay, this is baking powder. And it has how much? 35 grams of products. Looks like this. And the next and last, I think this is the last product I got, is this egg thingy. Okay, this is an eyeshadow palette. It looks like this, comes in a box like this. I've got no idea, but like it looked cute on the website, and like it wasn't that much. Cool egg. And you have to open like this, I think. Okay, it has some eyeshadows and blush, and I think highlighter. How cool is this? I really like these shades in here, that's why I got this. And I think this is the blush, peach nude blush, and this is the highlighter. Wow, you get so much products in here, like 3 products, and the shades are so beautiful. I will do a tutorial and you guys will know, like I will use this in my upcoming videos. This is cool. So this is it, like it's just a small haul, literally. Like I shouldn't have done this, but like I just wanted to share with you guys before using these products in my videos. Like I have to upload videos, so I thought, okay, I am ready today. I did this makeup tutorial today. I don't know whether that video will go up first or this one. I think this one will go up first, but I've used a different lip color. I just switched the lip color, but everything is same. from that video. But if you guys are interested in watching this makeup tutorial, then you definitely should watch, because it's very simple and very easy, and I love the outcome of this eye look. Yeah, if you guys loved watching my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and join me on all social media sites. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.